Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning the console on and binding a key so commands send instantly. Open Settings, flip Enable Developer Console on, then assign a comfortable key, usually tilde. Do this now so you can paste commands without interrupting play. Once done, make sure you're in the practice range or a match where console input is accepted, otherwise commands won't apply. This step is critical because the console is the interface that changes crosshair parameters directly, so don't skip it. You'll now input the core commands that shape the crosshair. Open the console, then set color and behavior with CL crosshair color and CL crosshair snapping. These control visibility and aiming feedback. Next, adjust CL crosshair gap, CL crosshair length, and CL crosshair thickness to match your preference. Smaller gap for precision, larger length for tracking. Also toggle CL crosshair dot and CL crosshair outline to add a center dot or outline for contrast. As you type, observe. Finish by fine-tuning values and saving the result so you can reuse it. Bind your full command string to a key or paste it into a text file. That guarantees quick loadouts. If a change fails, first confirm the console is still enabled and the key binding works, then check for typographical errors. Commands must be exact. Finally, test in the practice range and iterate in small increments like 0, 5 to 2 for gap or thickness, and if something breaks, revert to default to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.